Well, there you go. A little bit of hard work. And we have a full exhaust system on the El Camino, dumping off the side, fully welded. Welds are not my best, but they'll do. That's where it comes out, right from the back. We got hooker headers, 3-inch exhaust, Flowmaster pipes, side dump. Let me get you a better picture. Borlas. They are ProXS. We got clamps because it's stainless. The pipe is aluminized steel. Pretty straight. Say not too bad for an amateur. Goes into my hooker headers. There's a transfer case. There's my cross member, no problem.